Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to delete Rednote account. So if you were worried that TikTok will ban, so you created account on Rednote, but now you're just back to TikTok. So in case you want to delete it, I'll show you how easily you can delete your Rednote account. So first you just have to simply open the Rednote app. Once app gets open, you have to click onto this profile icon. Once you get into your profile, there you will see different options. You have to click onto this settings icon. You will get into the settings, then you have to click on account settings. After getting into the settings, you have to click on account cancellation. So here if you want to cancel or you can say delete your account, you have to simply get a code on your number. So whatever number you have provided there, it will send a code to that number. You just have to simply paste that up here, and after that it will take you to this page. So you just have to simply click onto this option, like you get agree, then you have to just simply select any one of these options. These are in Chinese, and then simply click onto this red option, and after that your account will get deleted. So that's how you can delete your Rednote account. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. In case if you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. And thank you so much for watching the video.